love is all for you. The right now was born for my friend. Loving you makes life for me. Sa Raymond Tagaana, Skylight Indian Conferences. Ano po? Salamat sa pag-watch. Sa Raymond maraming salamat. Nag-watch ka ba ng Skylight Indian Conferences? Yung mga request na song sa Raymond. Thank you so much. Si Raymond, yung request na song si Raymond ha, if you want. Maraming salamat sa pag-watch ng video ko si Raymond.
还有福茂治咳膜衣锭，专治咳嗽、喉咙痛。
Abe, try lang din. Try lang itong mga kantang to, guys, ha. Abe, try lang natin. So now, I'm not the foolish girl you used to know. Long ago, I'm stronger now. I've learned from my mistakes which way to go, and I should know. I put myself aside. Now I need to do it all alone. And I am not afraid to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'll keep it real, you know. Time for me to do it on my own. Nag-watch po ako dito sa Bulacan mo, Ma'am. Kasi gusto mo si Raymond Tagaana na marami sa mga sa Raymond. It's over now. I can't go back to living through your eyes. Too many lies. And if you don't know by now, I can't go back to being someone else anymore. I never had a chance to do things my way. Thank you so much. Raymond, nagtatanong kayo sa Raymond. Nagbabasa na lang si Loshi. Oh, yes. And I am not afraid to try it on my own. And I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it low. Time for me to do it. Around the world, I'm running things. It won't my way. It's something now, I've just begun. Never think about it. Sa Raymond, maraming salamat sa Raymond. Kasi masabi sila lang yun. Ano pa? 15 minutes. O, try lang din ha. Yung mga hindi ko kinakanta masyado sa Raymond, yun lang kinakanta ko. Kasi paulit-ulit na yung kinakanta ko. Ako na rin mismo nagsasawa sa kinakanta ko. Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat po. 16 live.